Yeah, that's pretty much the leftover of the BRDOOGU earbuds, and the reason why I'm going to show that is because, yeah, you see it's empty, it's just the cradle, and the leftover of the earbud is this thing here. We have the speaker, the microphone, yeah, I mean everything, yeah. Speaker, of course, microphone, battery, the motherboard, because it was run over by a car. My daughter lost it, dropped to the floor in a parking lot, and then next car was rolling over it and that was damaged. I mean, by the way, the thing still works. I've tried it. We can even connect this. The button works a little bit, I mean, strong, or yeah, it's a little bit rough to push, but it still works. But what I have noticed, we can see the battery, the readings of the battery, and it says 50 milliampere hour. So I wanted to see if we can verify the listing. I mean, what they say, how much we can charge, or how many times we can charge the earbuds in the cradle. So actually it is, yeah, clearly says 50 milliampere hours, so we had two of them, so it makes 100 milliampere hours, and here they say it is 1000 milliampere hours. So that makes, if you do the math, of course, that we can charge them 10 times. But yeah, this is just what they say. I mean, that this doesn't have to be the case. Usually what happens when you buy something like that, they say you can charge it 10 times. Usually you can charge it maybe 5 times or so. So they are heavily exaggerating whatever they write on the thing here. So how can you find out what's really inside? We can open that now. I mean, it's lost anyway, and so we can open that, and the thing is, there will be batteries inside, and the batteries are usually standard parts. So here, that's not standard part. This cradle has been designed by this manufacturer, so they can write anything here, but the inside components, like this battery here, these are usually standard components. They are not designed for this company. They are standard, used for everybody, so they are not cheating on that, and whatever they write on it, usually that is always what it is in real life. So I'm going to open that and check how much charge the battery says inside. Of course, it's a little bit hard to open because they don't want me to do that, but usually it shouldn't be a problem if I'm a little bit persistent on that here. Maybe I have to do it outside. It's a little bit too tough. Wow, okay, yeah. I'm impressed how difficult it was to open. I had to grab it on all 4 corners and then really use a lot of force, a lot of power to bring this up. It's crazy how difficult this was, but maybe there are screws actually. Maybe, yeah, that would have been able that would, of course, yeah, my bad, didn't notice that. They are here underneath. There were screws, of course, like always. Yeah, I'm not really experienced in that. Yeah, usually when you have these things here, these rubber feet, so they use it to cover the screws here, and that, yeah, of course, yeah, my bad. Okay, didn't realize that. I thought these are just normal rubber feet. Of course, there were screws. But anyway, here we have the, yeah, the motherboard here inside. I mean, the electronics, it's probably not something really advanced. It's just more or less to mount these charging pins here. So I'll have to remove that as well to get access to the battery. Yeah, it's really possible to remove these screws here. I thought it will be difficult, so yeah, actually I should have done this from the beginning. Yeah, so it's pretty easy, and I think that I hit even the battery, which was definitely not a good idea. So now we are getting closer here. And yeah, of course they don't want to show this on top, so we have to take it out and check on the knees, and they even covered this with the glue, but we're getting closer to that. We have just to remove this sticker here. I've managed to peel it off without destroying it, and we can clearly see they say 1000 milliampere hours with 3.7 volts, which is standard voltage for lithium ion, and looks good. I mean, there's no brand on it or so. Yeah, we cannot expect that inside, but I think we can still trust them, at least more or less. It probably will be a different thing when you buy something from wish.com or so. They will just tell you anything, and inside it's totally different thing. So my experience on wish.com, all the things which I've been ordering were totally scam and cheat. And I mean, there can also be some doubtful products on Amazon, but if you buy a little bit higher price, then you should be good usually, but not every time, of course. Yeah, looks like this brand, the BRDOOGU, yeah, seems to be an honest brand. That's good to know. Something we can buy again, I think. I mean, everything looked good quality anyway, and it looks like they are not cheating with the components, or at least it's good cheating. I mean, you never know what they do, but I don't expect to have wrong numbers on such components, which I think are just standard components. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to show you some interesting things, some insights from this charging cradle. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.